Everyone, how are you? I hope you all are fine. So in this video we will discuss about unit vectors. So let's start. Okay, so the vector whose magnitude is unity is called unit vector. Okay, it means the vector whose magnitude is 1 is called a unit vector. Okay, so now unity, it means 1. Okay, so the vector whose magnitude is what? Unity is called unit vector. Okay, now next part is it is denoted by cap over a letter. Okay, it is denoted by cap over a letter. Okay, for example, you can see here. For example, A cap, B cap, C cap, and so on, and AB cap, BC cap, and so on. Okay, it means it is denoted by cap over a letter like A cap, B cap, C cap, AB cap, BC cap. Okay, and our next point is unit vector is used to indicate direction. Okay, it is used to indicate what? Direction. Okay, it is used to indicate direction. Okay, and now next point is unit vector along x-axis is taken as I cap. Unit vector along x-axis is taken as I cap. Next point is unit vector along y-axis is taken as j cap. Next point is unit vector along z-axis is taken as k cap. Okay, it means this is used to indicate direction, and unit vector along x-axis is taken as I cap, unit vector along y-axis is taken as j cap, unit vector along z-axis is taken as k cap. Okay, and now unit vector along any vector r vector is defined as r cap is equal to r vector by r vector mod is equal to r vector, and here is mod, so arrow will pivot. Okay, so this is about the unit vector along any vector. Like r vector is defined as what? R cap is equal to r vector by r vector mod, that is r. Okay, I hope you understand that what is unit vector. Those vector whose magnitude is what? Unity. It means 1, and is called unit vector, and it is defined as, it is denoted as cap over a letter like this. This one is, sorry, this one is what? Cap. Okay, cap over a letter, and like this, a cap, b cap, c cap, ab cap, bc cap. Okay, and next point is unit vector is used to what? For what? It is used to indicate direction. Unit vector along x-axis is taken as I cap, and unit vector along y-axis taken as j cap. And unit vector, you have to learn this, that x-axis is taken as I cap, z-axis is taken as j, y-axis is taken as j cap, and z-axis is taken as k cap. Okay, and unit vector along any vector is how? R cap is equal to r vector by r vector mod, that is r vector by r. Okay, so let's do some question from this to make more understand you. Okay, so let's start. So our first question is, if r vector is equal to 3 I cap plus 2 j cap plus k cap, then find a r vector and b, sorry, a, that we have to find r vector, that is r, and the next one is unit vector along r vector. Okay, so let this do this question, that is a. Okay, we have to find r. Okay, so r vector, we have to find the magnitude of r, so r vector is equal to 3 I cap plus 2 j cap plus k cap. Okay, and now further we have to do, that is r is equal to coefficient of I cap square plus coefficient of j cap square plus coefficient of j cap square plus square, okay? Now here coefficient of I cap is 3, so root under 3 square plus coefficient of j cap is what, 2, so 2 square plus, and coefficient of k cap is what, 1 square, okay? That is 9 plus 4 plus 1 equal to 14. Okay, I hope you understand this question. That is, we have to find that magnitude of r vector. So here first of all root under coefficient of I cap, coefficient of j cap square and coefficient of k cap. Okay, now we have to solve this question, and this one is the magnitude of r vector. Now in the second we have to find unit vector along r vector, and we all know that unit vector along any vector is r cap is equal to r vector by r vector mod of r vector and is equal to, so we have to r cap is equal to r vector by mod. Okay, so r vector is equal to 3 I cap plus 2 j cap plus k cap. This one is the r vector, so we have to write the same thing, that 3 I cap plus 2 j cap plus k cap by r vector, mod of r vector. Okay, magnitude of r vector. Magnitude of r vector is what? Root 14. So we have to write root 14. Okay. Now this is the answer. Okay. I hope you understand this question. Okay. Now move to the next question. That is, I hope you understand the question that we have to find if the that is magnitude of r vector is, how we have to find. First of all, we have to take the coefficient of root under coefficient of I cap square plus coefficient of j cap square plus coefficient of k cap square. Okay, and then we have to add. Okay, so by adding we get root 40. Now for the unit vector along r vector, we all know that r cap is equal to r vector by magnitude of r vector. Okay, now again if p vector is equal to I cap minus 2 I cap minus 3 j cap plus 2 k cap. Okay, then find p and b is equal to unit vector along P vector. Okay, so let's find this question. Okay, so let's solve this question. This is question like as same as the first question, that is this one. That is, if r vector is equal to 3i cap plus 2j cap plus k cap, then find the magnitude of r vector and unit vector along r vector. Okay, now do this question. First of all, we have to find P, the same as like this. So we have to use the same thing, that is coefficient of I cap is 2 plus coefficient of j cap what, 3 or minus 3? Minus 3. Okay, this one plus coefficient of k cap is 2. Now 4 plus 9 plus 4 is equal to root 17. Okay, I hope you understand this question. And next is, that is unit vector along P vector. Okay, so P cap is equal to P vector by P vector, or P vector mod is equal to, P vector is equal to what, 2i cap minus 3j cap plus 2k cap. Okay, and the magnitude of P vector is root 17. Okay, so we have to write root 17. Okay, I hope you understand this question very well. Okay, this question is the same as the first question. Okay, in this question we have to also find the magnitude of P vector and unit vector along P vector. Okay, so here what is unit vector? The vector whose magnitude is 1 is called unit vector, and it is denoted by cap over a letter. Okay, like this. Okay, like this. And these are the point that x-axis is taken as I cap, y-axis, unit vector along y-axis is taken as j cap, and unit vector along z-axis is taken as k cap, and unit vector along any vector is defined as r cap is equal to, r cap is equal to r vector by mod of, magnitude of r vector. Okay, so let's do some more question. Okay, so let's start. Let's do one more question. If A vector is equal to 3i cap plus 2j cap minus k cap, and B vector is equal to I cap plus 2j cap. Okay, then find A vector. So in the first we have to find magnitude of A vector, magnitude of B vector, and so we have to find A vector plus B vector. Plus B vector. In D we have to to find A vector minus B vector. You have to find magnitude of A vector plus B vector. F find A vector minus vector mod, and in G you have to find A cap, H, A cap, I have to find unit vector along A vector plus B vector. So that is unit vector along A vector minus B vector. Okay, so let's solve this question. In this question is saying that A vector is equal to 3i cap plus 2z cap minus k cap, and B vector is equal to I cap plus 2z cap. Then find find magnitude of A vector, magnitude of B vector, and then A vector plus B vector, and then we have to find A vector minus B vector. After that we have to find A vector plus magnitude of A vector plus B vector. After that we have to find magnitude of A vector minus B vector, and then A cap, B cap. Now unit vector along A vector plus B vector, and unit vector along A vector minus B vector. So let's solve this question. Okay. In A you have to find magnitude of A vector. So root under coefficient of I cap is equal to 3 square plus coefficient of J cap is 2 square plus coefficient of K cap is what? 1, not 1, it's minus 1, okay? And now let's solve this. That is root under 9 plus 4 plus 1, 14. Okay, I hope you understand this, that we have to find the magnitude of A vector is equal to what? Root under coefficient of I cap plus coefficient of J cap plus coefficient of K cap. Okay, this one is the magnitude of what? A vector. And then we have to find the magnitude of B vector. So let's find this question. It is the same as the first question. Root under coefficient of I cap is 1 plus coefficient of J cap is plus 2 plus 2 square, okay? And then 1 plus 4 is equal to root 5. If there is K cap is not given, so we take K cap as what? 0, and if we add 0, then nothing happen. See, obviously it came for root 5, so we have to not add the 0 because we are in 11th standard, so we will not do the things like kid. Okay, so let's start. So do our third question, that is A vector plus B vector. A vector plus B vector. Okay. So we have to add A vector plus B vector. So let's add. In A vector we have 3i cap 2j cap plus minus 1. Okay. So 3i cap plus 2j cap minus 1 minus k cap plus I cap plus 2j cap plus 2j cap. Okay. So add like I cap with I cap, like 4i cap plus j cap plus 4j cap, and here is minus k cap. Okay. I hope you understand this thing, that how to add the what? I cap and I cap with I cap and j cap with j cap. Okay. And now our next that is D. Okay. So our next question is, we have to subtract A vector and B vector. Okay. So A vector minus B vector. Now what is in A vector? In A vector 3i cap plus 2j cap minus k cap. Okay. And again we have to minus I cap plus 2j cap. Okay. And here 2i cap plus 2j cap minus k cap, and we have to multiply like minus I cap plus minus 2j cap. Here plus here the plus minus will put, and then we have to write I cap minus 3i cap minus I cap is what? 2i cap, and this one is k cap, so minus k cap. I hope you understand this thing, that how to subtract the A vector minus B vector. Okay. And now we have to find the what in E? A vector plus B vector, magnitude of A vector plus B vector. So how we find the magnitude? By root under coefficient of I. So A vector plus B vector, so root under coefficient of I. Now we take this one, okay, that A plus B, because we have to find the magnitude of A vector plus B vector. So the A vector plus B vector comes out that 4i cap plus 4j cap minus k cap. So we take this one, like coefficient of I cap 4 square plus coefficient of j cap is 4 square, and then coefficient of k cap is minus 1 square. Okay. Let's solve this, like root under 16 plus 1. Okay. Here root under 33. Okay. So this is the magnitude of A vector plus B vector. Okay. And now we have to find the magnitude of what? Wait. Yes, magnitude of A vector minus B vector. So let's find. And again we have to take this one. Which one? This. 2i cap minus k cap. Okay. Let's find this one. Like in F, that is A vector minus B vector what? Magnitude of A vector minus B vector. Okay. So root under coefficient of I cap is 2 square plus coefficient of j cap is not there and k cap is 1. Not 1, it's minus 1. So, and now root under 4 plus 1 is equal to root 5. So this one is the answer of what? Magnitude of A vector minus B vector. And again, we have to find last three, that is A cap. Okay. So we all know that A cap is equal to A vector by modulus of A vector. So A vector is equal to what? 3I cap plus 2j cap minus k cap. I cap plus 2j cap minus k cap, and magnitude of we have already find in A, that is magnitude of A vector is root 14. So we have to write here what? Root 14. Okay, and in H we have to find B cap. So B vector is equal to magnitude of B vector, and what is B vector? Let's see. B vector is I cap plus 2j cap, and magnitude of B vector is root 5. I cap plus 2j cap. I cap plus 2j cap by root 5. Okay. So this is our S, that is the magnitude, the unit vector along B vector. Okay. And now we have to find two more questions, that is we have to find unit vector along A vector plus P vector. Okay. So what? Which question? It is I. Okay. So I to vector along A vector plus what? P vector is equal to what? This one is A vector plus B vector by A vector plus B vector mod. And A vector plus B vector we have where it is? Yes, 4I cap plus 4j cap minus k cap. 4I cap plus 4j cap minus k cap, and by magnitude of A vector plus B vector is root 33. So we have to write root 33. Okay. And last question is, that is, that is what? That is unit vector along A vector minus B vector. So we have to write the same thing. Unit vector along A vector minus B vector. Okay. This bracket on it, and this one. Yes. Okay, so let's do this question. That is equal to A vector minus B vector by A vector minus B vector, magnitude of A vector minus B vector. So what is A vector minus B vector is 2 I cap minus k cap, and magnitude of A vector minus B vector is root 5. 2 I cap minus k cap and root 5. Okay, equal to 2 I cap minus k cap by root 5. Yes, is it? Yes. So this is the answer of this question. Okay, I hope you understand more the video that and also the question that this one, this one. Okay, this question is very easy. So that's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.